You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix the Instagram Next Story freezing problem. First, try the basic fixes. Restart your phone. Clear Instagram's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Instagram, offload app, then reinstall. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Update the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play Store. An outdated app often causes bugs. Update your phone's operating system as well. If the issue persists, try viewing stories with a different account to see if it's account specific. Reinstall Instagram completely. Uninstall it. Restart your phone, then reinstall it from the official store. Disable any VPN or proxy service you might be using, as it can interfere with Instagram's servers. For Android, ensure Data Saver is off in Instagram's app settings. On iPhone, disable low data mode in Wi-Fi settings. If you're using an Instagram beta version, leave the beta program and install the stable version. As a last resort, report the bug to Instagram via Settings, Help, Report a problem, describe the freezing issue. If none of these work, the problem might be on Instagram's servers, so wait for an update. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.